Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Home. Today we are going to install this thermostat. So let's get the back plate mounted. So get some screws. Find the screw hole, which should be some. Okay, so it's right. Hey, where'd it go? Oh, got it. Okay, so I got this screw. That one's done. Okay, so that's where the other screw hole is. Get the other one. Okay, now we could add the wires. So the blue wire is the common, which powers the thermostat. Or if you don't have that, just use batteries. Okay, so let's get the screwdriver. Use pliers, they're actually helpful. Okay, so now the green wire, which handles your fan. Okay, so that's on. Tighten up this wire since I think I forgot to. Always good to double check. This one's good. This one isn't. Okay, so that's good now. The Y wires. Make sure to have the power off. These wires are annoying. Now W, which is heating, and Y is the AC. This screw is a little bit tight. Don't use a drill on these type of screws because some of them, they might break or crack these things, and if these cracks, that will be bad. Now R, which is the power. So you have that there. Now tighten up the screw. You notice that little piece of jumper metal? I don't have the RC, so that's why I have to keep the jumper on. If you have the RC, you don't need the jumper. Be sure to remove it. Now, since all the wires are on, okay, that's good. Now, pop on the display and turn the power on. Be sure to like and subscribe, and when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell.